Hey everyone, I'm Alex. Today, I'm going to teach you the Running Man in just 1 minute. Once you understand the pattern, all you need is a little practice to make it feel smooth and natural. Let's start slowly. The Running Man has 2 main parts, opening the legs and returning to the center while lifting the back leg. Start with both feet together in the center. From here, open into a split position. One foot steps forward, while the other foot slides back. Now bring the front foot back to the center while lifting the back leg at the same time. From this position, place the lifted foot forward while the foot you are standing on slides backward. Then bring the front foot back to the center while lifting the back leg again. So the pattern is open, return and lift. Open on the other side, return and lift. Save this video so you can come back and practice it later. Now let's repeat it slowly together. Open and lift. Open and lift. Keep switching sides and stay light on your feet. Once that feels comfortable, start making the movement a little faster. Keep practicing and you'll get it. Subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step shuffle dance lessons.